Let's talk about view mode, and how to view your document, and how to manage view, and how to make it better for view of your document. Okay, documentation view. I mean, how you can view your document. So we're gonna go to view, and it says print layout. The first option is print layout. If you disable it, well, nothing happens to this because we only have one. Okay, print layout. But the only thing that will be available for you is the little decimal miles in here and centimeters, all of that. So you can see right now. There you go. Right now it's not into print layout, but it is right now into print layout because we have all that rulers set up. We have mode like editing, suggesting, viewing, which we already know how to work with them using this button. So there is no worry. Show ruler will break down the ruler. And right now you can see the print layout is not affecting anything. So we're gonna enable the printing layout, and we're gonna go with show ruler. Show document outline. For now, it shows the document outline. If you don't want to, so you can just take it back. And we have show equation toolbar. So we have right now equation toolbar in here, which is an amazing thing. You can add new equation, and you can add these equations. All that is possible for you, and that's fantastic. I'm gonna click back, show quick toolbar. And the good thing is, whenever you bring something in here, for example, new equation, let's see, we're gonna bring 2 times 3, and we're gonna bring is equal, so we don't have any equal sign in here. Let's go in here, we don't have an equal sign as well. And for now, we don't have an equal sign in here as well. And in here, we don't have an equal sign. In here, we don't have an equal sign. What should we do? Okay, we type it by keyboard. Equal to 2 times 3 is 6. So that's how you can manage it. And we have tons of these things, okay, that you can work with them in order to make your equation better looking. So I already made only one, so you can make many using that option. I'm gonna go to view and disable it for now. Show section bricks. Okay, for now we don't have any sections, so it's not gonna show us for anything. It's not gonna show anything. We will work with it, okay, so don't worry. And we're gonna work with the table of contents and good book arranged, all of that. We're gonna work through project. Full screen as taking your page into full screen. Okay, so that is the view. And finally, in conclusion, it helps you to see your document better.